Kia ora whānau. I'm coming to you from Queenstown, New Zealand, which is in the South Island in New Zealand. And I'm here on a dream break. And I really needed to share this moment with you because I need you to see the view that I have for the next 3 days. So we're here on a dream break. This dream break is at the Holiday Inn. And look at my view, will you? The view here is a beautiful lake called Lake Wakatipu. Right, so this dream break is for 2 adults is less than $300. Okay, there's my beautiful pillow and my blankie, right? But look at the view. Okay, so I've got a view of Lake Wakatipu, plus I have a view of the Remarkables. It's not hard to see how they got their name, right? So these beautiful mountains, imagine in winter, they're covered in snow, right? It is absolutely gorgeous. So this is where I'm going to be for the next 3 days. Right, working, creating. Queenstown is a beautiful, beautiful place. It's the adventure capital of the world. Right, there's so much to do. You've got Coronet Peak, you've got Cadrona, where people come to ski all year round. Not all year round, in winter, right? But there's a lot of activities here to do. You can bungee jump off the bridge. You can do the luge off the top of the Queenstown mountain, right? You can take a gondola. You can do the shot over boat ride. Right, you can do hiking through the mountains, you can do remarkable cruises. Right, this is just a beautiful place, and what an amazing dream break. So I just wanted to share this with you because there are so many unreal dream breaks. From here I do the dream break in Wellington, right? But this is great. So, you know, if you're looking to have more fun, freedom and fulfillment, and you want to just get away for the weekend, right, definitely come and do this one. This one is in Queenstown. You know, the view, the lake, right? The Maldives, Aotearoa, a beautiful, beautiful part of the world, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Have a magnificent weekend.